Hi guys, this is Divyansh and today in this video we are going to do an unboxing and have a first look at my surprise guys that I have planned for you all. And guys, yesterday only in Instagram I posted a photo in which I said there is a surprise and it has finally arrived. And guys, I have opened that surprise guys, and I'm now very excited to show you what I have with me. And guys, let me show you and just give a drum roll, any one of you. And guys, this is the surprise that I was talking about. So, and as you can see, guys, by the Apple logo itself, you'll be very clear that what is this. This is basically a laptop, guys, that I got myself for doing video editing. And guys, because I had the MacBook Air, guys, 2017 model, and that MacBook Air was sort of old, guys, and the video editing on that was not that fluid. So I got myself a MacBook Pro, guys, that is a 2018 edition, guys, because lately I've been doing video editing and posting on YouTube, and the editing was not that great. So I purchased this MacBook Pro, that is a 13-inch model. This is basically a 2018 model, guys, and I've bought it used one. I've not bought a new one because it's very expensive. So guys, this is a 13-inch model with the touch bar, which comes with 4 ports, that is the USB Type-C Thunderbolt ports. And guys, this is basically the 2018 model, guys. It is 2018 model. It's not the 2019 or the 2020, because they are very expensive, and getting those used one is like that you purchase a new one instead of that. For example, if it is priced at 1,23,000, you can get it used for almost 95 to 1 lakh, 95,000 to 1 lakh. So why not purchase a new one? So I bought this one, guys, and this is a proper quad core CPU that I'm having. And let me talk about this in this video, guys. This is the laptop, as you can see, and guys, this is the MacBook Pro, and it's very compact, guys. You might feel it's very heavy, but it's generally very compact, and I'm liking it so much, guys. Let me first show you the ports, guys. As you can see, we have 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports over here, and these are 40 gigabytes port that Apple is providing. So the data transfer speeds from these ports is very good, and this was the left side, and the whole body is made up of aluminium, guys, so it feels very premium for the price what you're getting. These two are the Thunderbolt C ports. Now moving towards the front, we have a cutout to open the lid. I'll show you all that later. Also in the right side, we have another 2 USB Type-C ports, and a headphone jack, as you can see that, guys. And on the back, we have the chassis, and the chassis are also made up of metal, guys, so it's very good. On the back, we have vents for dissipating the heat, as you can see. We have vents for dissipating heat over here. These are the vents, and guys, here are the stick pads that will on which the laptop will rest. So this is the laptop, guys. Let me keep it like this, and guys, this is the Apple logo which it is famous for. And let me just turn it on, guys, and this is the MacBook Pro from inside, guys. As you can see, I have applied the the key guard and the trackpad guard and all of that, the safety guards that were necessary, because it's a very premium laptop, guys. I'll talk about the pricing later, guys, and from where I got it. So guys, as you can see, it is having a full size keyboard, guys, as you can see, and this is the touch bar, guys. As you can see, this is the touch bar, and you also have the touch ID. So if you want to unlock this Mac, you can just put your finger on it and it's unlocked, guys. Let me show that again, guys. Your computer is in it opened automatically because I'm wearing an Apple Watch. So if you're wearing an Apple Watch, it will automatically open. So let me just lock the screen for a bit now. So you see, I've locked the screen, and again, if I'll be touching it, so this is the functionality that we have. So we have a fingerprint scanner over here, that's very useful. Also, the keyboards are very good, guys. Not the best for typing, but it's good. And the Apple's keyboard were very famous previously for getting the damage very easily. And guys, so this is a 2018 model, therefore it has a membrane inside the keyboard to protect it for all the damages from outside. dust and food materials and all like that. So, and the keyboard feel is very good, guys. The quality of the keyboard is good, but it's not very what I could say, it's not very user friendly. You cannot type continuously for long hours. It does not have any travel in it, as you can see, and it makes a lot of noise while typing. Let me just type my name, guys. It's a lot quieter, guys. As you can see, it's a lot quieter than the previous generations, but definitely, guys, it is very much on the louder side, and it does not have any trouble. Coming to the touch bar, guys, as you can see, this is the functionality of the touch bar. You don't have the proper function keys on it. You are going to that function keys are replaced by this touch bar, and you can see it works very well, guys. And these are the options. I can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness, guys, as you can see, and I can increase the volume or decrease the volume. I have to do all this with the touch bar. I particularly like it, guys. It's a polarizing thing, guys. Many like it, many don't like it, but I like it, guys. I like this touch bar. You're getting something different from the industry, although you don't need it, guys, frankly, but you're getting something very. Also, coming to the trackpad, the size of the trackpad is really big, guys. As you can see, the trackpad is huge on this, guys. As you can see, this is the trackpad size, and it is very much bigger compared to the competitive other comparable laptops, and it's a glass trackpad, guys. So, and the trackpad, the feel of the trackpad is insane, guys. It's one of the best trackpads that you can get in the market, and guys, these are very responsive. As you can see, we have gestures, we have multi-finger gestures, guys. With if you swap with these 4 fingers, you'll get the apps that you have. Swap away, pinch out, you get to the home screen, and this works very flawlessly, guys. As you can see, these are the notification bars. I just swipe from here to here, and again if I do from here, then it goes off. So the trackpad is very responsive, guys, and it feels very good to have this trackpad, to use this trackpad basically. Also, guys, when coming to the keyboard, one thing I forgot to tell you, that this is a backlighting keyboard. If you're working at night, this keyboard will definitely glow up. That will be easier to you for typing. So, guys, also the keyboard is backlighting. Also, guys, coming to the speakers output are very good, guys. It's now connected to my Wi-Fi. Let me show some content to you all. Let me go to YouTube, guys, and as you can see, guys, the Wi-Fi standards are very speed, guys. As you saw, it's loading content instantaneously. So let me play some royalty-free music to give you an idea about the speaker. It's a non-copyright music, guys. Let me just increase the volume. It's at full volume right now. As you can see, guys, as you can see, guys, the speakers were very loud, guys. I don't know if my camera's microphone is doing a justice or not, but the speaker are very loud. They are louder than even the counterparts, Windows counterparts, guys. It's very loud. And guys, I have now just opened it. I will test it around 4 to 5 days or around a week or so, and then I'll post my full review. Now, guys, coming to the price, guys, about this laptop. This is the laptop, guys, and I got it for almost 85,000, guys, and it depends upon the type of model that you are having. And guys, I got it from Mumbai, guys. There is a place called Macfreaks. If you are a Mumbaiker Nikhil's channel subscriber, you might be knowing about Alman. He's a official kind of a dealer of this kind of MacBooks. So, guys, I contacted him, and he provided me with the best quality laptop that he had at that price point, and it was very seamless, guys. You don't have to worry regarding the product. The product is 100% genuine. As you saw, guys, I am having that product, and I paid in full, guys, in advance, and then I got it in about 4 to 5 days, guys. I'll put the number of that particular man, that is Alman Bhaiya. I call him Alman Bhaiya. I'll put his number in the description. And if anyone wants to buy a Mac, used one basically, or also a new one, you can directly contact him, guys, and you can get some very good offers. And guys, 85,000 is a very big price point, and for that I got a quad core CPU, guys, that is the Intel Core i5, and guys, which has a turbo boost. I'm not getting into internal specifications because I want to test this machine, and then I want to talk about the specifications, how real are the specifications, guys. And the product feels very good, guys, and if you want to buy this product, you can directly contact. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, guys, then do hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel, guys, and just stay tuned to the channel for its review. This was the surprise, guys, and I'm very happy that I got it. Once again, let me show you the fingerprint scanner. It works very well, guys. Like this, you just have to touch and it unlocks like this. It's very fast. So this was up with the video, guys. We'll talk soon in the next video, guys. Take care.